guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make garlic butter lobster tails. To get started, here I have 3 lobster tails I already washed and scrubbed, and I'll be using some melted butter. I have Old Bay seasoning, I have some parsley flakes, I'll be using garlic and onion powder, and some black pepper. Super simple. First things first, you want to create a marinade for the lobster tails. So we will combine all the seasonings, adding them to the butter and mix well. We'll set aside, then we'll get started on the lobster tails. Next, we'll go ahead and cut all those little legs of the lobster tails. I already scrubbed them clean, but I wanted to show you guys how to cut the legs off and stuff, so that's why I saved that part for now. And once you're done cutting those little legs off, we're gonna flip them to the shell, and you want to cut straight up the shell and stop right at the tail. You don't want to cut straight down, just stop at the tail, and we will prise open the shell and just lift that flesh that's in there over top of the shell, and that's called the butterfly. We're butterflying the lobster tails, and it's super easy. It can be a little challenging, you know, because you don't want to ruin the shell while you're breaking it apart, but you want to keep everything intact, so you have to be very careful with that part. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and season the lobster tail with that marinade that we made. Now you want to set your oven on broil, and we'll broil these for about 8 to 10 minutes. They don't take a long time to cook. While the lobsters are in the oven, let's go ahead and make a quick garlic butter sauce for the lobsters using some butter, some garlic paste, lemon juice, lemon zest, honey butter. I have some garlic salt and black pepper. In a medium-sized saucepan, I will add some butter, allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with our garlic and let that go for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our lemon juice, let it go for a few seconds, then we'll add our lemon zest. At this point, you want to turn your heat down low, then start adding your butter a little at a time. You don't want the butter to separate, so you want to cook it on low heat. Like barely any heat. You just want the butter to melt. You don't want the butter to cook and turn to oil, or for it to separate from the lemon juice. So you want to add it slowly, a little at a time. Once all your butter is melted, you want to go in now with your honey butter. The honey butter just adds great balance to the sauce. It balances everything out, and if you don't have honey butter, you can add a teaspoon of honey. We will now add our garlic salt and black pepper, and that's it. The sauce is done. We will turn the heat completely off and set this aside. Once they're done, you want to go ahead and drench them with that delicious garlic butter sauce that we made. And boy, it smells so amazing in here. I can't wait to dig in. Now, once we plate up, voila, this is what we have. Delicious garlic butter lobster tails. Now, today I'll be enjoying my lobster tails with some garlic parmesan mashed potatoes, which I will be leaving the link down in the description box for that. And I have some shrimp and some asparagus. Now the shrimp is made exactly like the lobster tails. I did marinate it with the same marinade, and I added that same garlic butter sauce over top. I do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!